Meus Racing for the TRX4m aluminum trans housing. Let's see what this thing's all about. Explore and create more fun for RC. Not me, but us. I like it. Let's check it out, yeah? Alright everyone, welcome back to CNCRC. I do appreciate you stopping by. Let's check this Meus Racing transmission out. Machining looks pretty good. It's got a nice little logo. This thing is super light. I swear it's lighter than the stock plastic. I don't know how they've done it. Good quality aluminum. No scuffs, no machining marks, no grease, no oil, nothing like that. Alright, you do get the two halves. You get a hardware set, which I like to see because extra screws. It's like lures. A little sticker sheet. And you get another little sticker. I like this one. As you can tell, it's chrome. Almost a mirrored finish. Can't wait to get this guy together. I'm going to go off screen and do that because I've had way too many concussions and I'll probably end up figuring 6 different ways to get this together, but one of them right. So I'll be right back with the finished build. Alright, I am back. That only took about 3 hours and 4 tries. It wasn't 6, it was only 4 tries. I did manage to get everything mounted. The micro Komodo. I do want to say one thing. The adapter plate that Fury Tech puts on these was just a hair off. I tried both this housing and the aftermarket housing and they did not want to line up. Finally, I just had to back some screws out and angle it in sideways and it finally pulled itself over. So, don't know if that's just a machining issue or if everybody's going to have that issue. If you mount one of these, let me know if you had any trouble with it lining up to the trans here. So next video, next shot, should have some running videos, hopefully soon. I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, guys. Appreciate it. Sorry, I am horrible at speaking. It's more of just mute me and watch and see what happens kind of deal. But I do appreciate you, any viewers. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good nonsense stuff. You know how it is. Thanks, guys. See you later.